stick it right into there.
Yeah.
Because at least only the buttons. Oh, look.
Ah, yes.
Little lights here.
Yeah.
What's the address?
Now is iela 8, but we have to check the build year later.
Yeah, the third staircase.
Yeah.
But no, yeah,
73 to 107.
When was it built? 1978.
Yeah, 8 or I'm not sure.
We have to check. It was takes 4 plus I think 20 grams. Also in Imanta, one of the suburbs of Riga, Latvia. I guess about 96, but we have to check that.
Yeah. Did you say the serial number?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. It's 232.
Then probably 977.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the bad these in and those were replaced.
Yeah.
But still worth 2 rides.
Yeah. No. Inspected by radar and maintained both sonar base crashes.
We have big light successful so far.
Yeah.
But it's only the beginning.
Yeah.
Check the fog.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bad.
Yeah.
I love the sunset smell here.
Same here.
That's it. Thanks so much.
That's